Ever wonder how to make the perfect choice with limited options? That's what linear programming is all about.
So, say you're running a business. You've got limits on everything. How do you possibly maximize your profit?
Let's dive into a real-world puzzle. It's about a company that makes, well, two kinds of calculators. So check this out. One calculator actually loses money, but the other one makes a profit. And of course, there are limits. The big question is, how many of each should they make to max out their profit? This is exactly what LP is for. Okay, to crack this, we gotta translate the problem into the language of math, specifically LP. First up, decision variables. These are just the things we actually have control over. For our puzzle, it's simple. How many of each calculator to make? We'll just call them X and Y. Next is the objective function. Sounds fancy, but it's just our main goal written out as an equation. Right, so we want to maximize profit. This equation weighs the loss from X against the profit from Y. And finally, we've got constraints. These are the real-world rules we can't break. You know, the limits. Our company has limits on demand, how many they can make, and a shipping contract they have to meet. Okay, model's ready. So how do we find that one perfect answer? Well, let's actually draw it out. When you've only got two variables, a graph works perfectly. Each rule we have becomes a line on the chart. See this shaded area where everything overlaps? That's our feasible region. The answer is in there somewhere. And here's the coolest part. The best possible answer is always, always on one of the corners of that shape. So all we have to do is check the corners and bingo, we find our maximum possible profit. But this isn't just about calculators, right? LP is a massive tool used pretty much everywhere. It helps businesses use their resources perfectly, make smarter choices, and even spot problems ahead of time. Think about it, military logistics, marketing, supply chains, you name it, LP is probably being used there. So after all that, what's the big picture here? Well, the math is one thing, but turning a messy real-world problem into a clean model, that's the real art. But the core idea is simple. You take a tough challenge, build a clear model, and find the absolute best path forward. It kind of makes you think, right? What's one complex choice in your own life that you could optimize with this?